Hey everyone, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and today we're going to mount this Southwire electric cord reel to the side of our Milwaukee 46-inch toolbox. This is going to be a very simple 5-minute install, but it's going to solve a problem of me losing electrical cords, and Jeff and I will search around here for a half hour trying to find one when we only figure out that I either took it home, somebody else borrowed it, or it's not to be found. So mounting this thing up is pretty simple. Finding a good one is what's going to count, at least in my book. I was all over the web and I ended up at Fast Tool Now, where I found this Southwire model, which is a 14-3 wire and 13 amp rated. You'll find a lot of them out there that are a 16-3 wire and 10 amp rated. However you want to go about it, I wanted something that was quality so that when we plugged something into it, we weren't either messing this up, blowing a breaker, and I also wanted it to reel in fairly easily and nice. This is where I ended up. If you found something else, post it in the description, help everybody else out. Now to mount this, very simple. Remove the mounting plate in the back. It's simply got a little nut and a bolt that holds it in place. Pull it out. Check out where you want to mount it on your box. I just used the middle screw and drilled 2 new holes. And to drill those holes, I just took some masking tape, put it up there, marked the 3 holes, walked over to the vise, put this in, put the masking tape over top of the tool, tried to get it nice and straight, used a punch, punched the holes where I wanted them, drilled them out, brought it back over to the toolbox, and mounted it up. If you happen not to drill the holes perfectly, just enlarge the holes a little bit. I used a 1/4 inch bit, just matched up the hole size on this, worked out really simple. The bolts that I used came with the toolbox already. They were just extras sitting around. Then you can come back, mount this guy up, slide it in, drop the top holder in place. You can use the nut if you want that goes on it just to hold it there, but I think gravity is going to do a great job, and it allows me to quickly take it off if I want to move it. This is something that is 10 minutes. It's not very expensive, and it allows you to actually use the plugs on the side of the box, not have something stuck to the wall. In our case, it works great. It might not in everyone's case, but for me, this is awesome. So while I was on Fast Tool Now's website, I kind of got sucked in by some of their other tools for some of the projects we have. They have these small, compact wire strippers that I think are going to be excellent for us to use inside cars. We have a couple different projects going on, this Corvette and another Travis Mills Foundation Jeep build. These little things can get into tight places, and I know they're meant for electricians. We're not electricians by any means, but to work in cars and stuff, we thought these were going to be great. Continuing with that made in the USA trend, I started to look at what Southwire had, and the next thing that caught my eye were these terminal crimpers. Now again, you're going to say why, but they have a nice crimping mechanism in here, and I only have one other pair of these. These are excellent if you do a lot of butt connections where you crimp those connectors together. And I do this a lot with the outdoor mower. We have a wire that goes around our whole yard. If anything happens to it, you go out, put in some of the liquid sealed crimpers. They're weather tight, put them in and go. Again, awesome, made in the USA, sucked in. Then I found these ergonomic wire strippers. Again, I can't have enough wire strippers. Sometimes I seem to forget them, they walk away. That was just another made in the USA tool. And the final made in the USA tool that I found were these 8-inch just cutters. We use these a ton for fuel line or vacuum lines that are going through, and I still left the thing is, I haven't used these yet. I'm thinking that these are going to be awesome. I'm hoping that the made in the USA part on the Southwire really comes through for us. Haven't put them to use. Was more excited about this, and then once you get there, you have some impulse purchases. Anyway, I hope this modification to the Milwaukee toolbox helps you guys out, gives you guys something else to be useful, at least use up some of those screw holes on the side, give you a way to get away from the toolbox more to do some work. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe to this channel. We have a lot of cool tools, little projects, and fun car-related stuff that's going on. We thank you for your time, guys. Have a great day.